How to log in Weststar Mortgage Account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Weststar Mortgage Account. For that, you want to open up any web browser and search for Weststar Mortgage. Now, you want to tap on this website, which is westloan.com. Now, on this web page, you want to tap on the option of Mortgage Login. That will take you to this page. On the login portal, you want to enter some of your details. Start by entering your username. For that, tap on the first box. Type in your username. After that, on the second box, you want to enter your password. If you want your username to be remembered, check the box that says Remember My Username. If you agree to the user terms and privacy policy, tap this box. Now, you want to tap on the login option. If the details entered by you are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your username, tap on the Forgot Username option over here. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option. If you don't have an account and you want to register, tap on Register Your Account option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.